What is this?
A new day begins.
Mixer truck.
Cement mixer is filling a big hole in the road.
Wow. It's a disappear. It's amazing.
All done. Now it's time to fill a smaller one.
What's next?
Little car drives slowly. Oh no! They couldn't see the wet cement and fell right in. The pink car slips on a banana peel. It falls in too. They need help. Cement mixer finishes smoothing the road. Nice and flat.
Nice. What happened?
The cars are stuck in the cement.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Quick, call the construction rescue team. Crane truck and drill truck rush to help.
Okay, let's go.
Drill truck.
Open.
Drill truck breaks the dry cement into pieces.
Bravo. It's my time.
Crane truck.
Crane truck carefully lifts the little cars onto the tow truck.
Good job. Okay.
Tow truck takes them to the repair shop. Let's fix the blue car first. Replace the front bumper.
Are you ready? Amazing.
Put on a new back tire.
I like it. What's next?
And tap off the hard cement on the front wheels with a small hammer.
Like it. So nice. Yeah. Woohoo!
All fixed.
Who's next?
Now it's the pink car's turn. Change to a new tire.
Bravo.
Straighten the side mirror.
Cool.
And clean off the cement from the wheels. Oh no! One tire is broken. Let's put on a new one.
Yeah.
All done. The cars look brand new again.
Let's go.
Drive safely next time, little cars.
Good job.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.